Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today my topic about how many types in insurance. So how many types in insurance? Insurance in Pakistan. The first of all, insurance in Pakistan is regulated under the Insurance Ordinance 2000 in the past few years. It has transferred into a development and a fast-growing market that are generally divided into three components: life insurance, general insurance, and health insurance. And you have to scroll down. How many types are there in insurance? So you click then. There are however four types of insurance that must the financial expert recommend. We all have life, health, auto, and long-term disability. I click this. Four type of insurance policies everyone needs. Encyclopedia. Four type insurance everyone needs. By Linda Mackin, update March 15, 2022. Will we usually can't prevent the unexpected from the happening sometime. We can get some the protection insurance is meant to safeguard as at least financially should certain thing happen, but there are numerous insurance options, and many financial experts will say you need to have them all. It can be difficult to determine what insurance you really need. Purchasing the right types of amount of insurance is always determined by your specific situation. Factors such as a children age, lifestyle, and employment benefit play a role when you are building your insurance. The profile there are the however four types of insurance that must the financial expert recommend. We all have life, health, auto, and long-term disability. I'm going to scroll down. Life insurance. The greatest benefit of life insurance include the ability to cover your funeral expense and provide it for those you leave behind. This is especially important if you have a family that is dependent on your salary to pay the bills. Industry expert suggest a life insurance policy that covers 10 times your yearly income, but that a number not you can afford. When estimating the amount of life insurance coverage, you need remember to the factor is not only the funeral expense but also daily living expense. These money include mortgage payment, outstanding loans, credit card, debit, taxes, child car care, and future college cost. According to a 2021 study by Lemra from Formulary, known as that life insurance the market, the research association, more than the half of U.S. household rely on dual income. This study also found that a quarter of families would experience financial hardship within 1 month of awake yearly. That the two basic types of life insurance are the traditional whole life and the term life. Simply Simply explained, whole life can be used as an income tool, as a will, as an insurance instrument, as long you continue to pay the monthly premium. Whole life cover you until you die. Term Term life on the other hand is a policy that cover you for a set amount of a time. There are other considerably difference between the two type of insurance. So you have may want to seek to advice of a financial expert before you decide which is the best for you. The factors considered include your age, occupation, and number of dependent children. Health insurance. Strategically, you and your family are just once on a serious illness away from a bankruptcy. According to a study published by the American Journal of Public Health in 2019. As a journal survey from more than 900 Americans who failed personal bankruptcy between 2022 to 2016. Medical problem from bill income, the loss due to illness, or both contribute to out of their bankruptcy. Those number alone should increase and get you to the update on the health insurance or the review and the possible increase your current coverage, but with the resonancy or the payment increase the deductible and drop the coverage. Health insurance has become a luxury favor and a favor people can afford when you consider that the national average cost for one day in the hospital was $2,067 in 2019, when even a manual policy is better than none. The best and the least expensive option may be participating you in your employer's insurance program, but the many smaller businesses do not offer this benefit. The average annual premium cost of the employer in employer sponsored healthcare program was $7,739 for a single coverage and $22,021 for a family plan in 2021, according to the research published by the Kaiser Family Foundation. If you don't have health insurance through an employer, check with the trade organizations or association about the possible group health coverage. If that's not an option, you will need to buy private health insurance. We meet our next